In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload files on Monday.com. Navigating various platforms to effectively manage projects and teams has become the norm in today's digital age. One such platform that has gained significant popularity for its user-friendly interface and versatile functionalities is Monday.com. So today, I'm here to guide you through a simple yet crucial process on this platform: uploading files. Whether you're looking to import project documents, share resources with your team, or back up important files, mastering this skill will undoubtedly enhance your productivity on Monday.com. To begin, let's navigate to the Monday.com homepage. This is your starting point, and from here, you'll have access to a myriad of functionalities that make Monday.com such a powerful tool for team collaboration and project management. The homepage essentially serves as a dashboard, giving you a quick overview of your active boards, recent updates, and quick access to various features. Next, you'll need to access your profile. Look towards the top right corner of your screen. You should see your profile icon. Clicking on it reveals a menu with several options, and today we're focusing on one that is crucial for our process: import data. The intuitive design of Monday.com makes it easy to navigate through these options, but knowing exactly where to go saves you that much more time. After selecting Import Data, you're brought to a new page where Monday.com showcases its versatility by offering you a choice of platforms from which you can import data. This flexibility is key to ensuring that the platform can integrate seamlessly into your existing workflow, no matter the tools you currently use. You'll notice various options, allowing you to import data not just from files, but also from other management tools, ensuring you don't lose any information during the transition. For the purpose of our tutorial, let's focus on importing from an Excel file, a common need for many users looking to transfer their data onto Monday.com. This could be project timelines, budget sheets, or any other information relevant to your work. Find the option for Excel and select it to move on to the actual upload process. Here comes the part we've been leading up to: uploading your file. Monday.com simplifies this by allowing a simple drag-and-drop functionality. You'll see an area designated for this purpose where you can drag your file from your computer and drop it into the platform. This hassle-free method not only saves time, but also adds a level of convenience, reinforcing Monday.com's commitment to user experience. Dragging and dropping your file begins the upload process automatically. A progress bar might appear, depending on the size of your file, providing you with real-time updates on the upload status. It's moments like these where you can truly appreciate the efficiency of Monday.com, allowing you to continue working or planning your next steps while the platform handles the heavy lifting of file management for you. Once the upload is complete, Monday.com will typically provide you with a confirmation message, ensuring your file is now successfully imported and ready for use within the platform. This is where the real magic begins, as you can now incorporate this data into your boards, use it for analysis, or simply have it stored for easy access and reference by you and your team. To wrap up, the process of uploading files to Monday.com is designed to be straightforward and user-friendly. From navigating to your profile, selecting the Import Data option, choosing your platform, and finally dragging and dropping your file for upload, each step is crafted to ensure a seamless experience. Remember, having your files and data organized and accessible in one place can significantly boost your team's efficiency, making mastering these basic functionalities an essential part of maximizing what Monday.com has to offer. I hope this tutorial has been helpful and you feel more confident in managing your files on Monday.com. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to make your project management journey as smooth as possible.